Hello guys, welcome to Sampada Creators and I'm your host Shubham Sharma. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about not one but two companies at once. Both these companies have rumors that they can do airdrop in near future. So what are these companies and what they do? Let's dive into that. So guys, first company is Optimism Network. Guys, Optimism Network is one of the first companies which were working on layer 2 solutions, and they provided or opened their gateway to the public that you can now transfer your Ethereum to Optimism Network on layer 2, where you can experience the low fees and fast transaction approval rates. Let me give you an example for that. Right now, our average token transfer costs around $8 to $9, and sometimes if network is congested, that fees can go to $25 to $30 for just token transfers on Ethereum mainnet. But on layer 2, that token transfer fees is around 20 to 25 cents. So this is a very fast difference from layer 1 to layer 2. That is why there is a need to upgrade this Ethereum network so that a normal person, a normal crypto trader, a normal retail trader can also do swaps or do other things on Ethereum blockchain. So that is why these companies came into existence which were working on layer 2 solutions. So Optimism Network is one of the first companies who opened their gateway for layer 2, and they have the rumors that they are going to do an airdrop which will be a very big airdrop. Now, if Optimism is the first company, then what is the second company? So guys, our second company is Hope Protocol. Guys, Hope Protocol is a bridge. As I've already told you guys in my AnySwap video, that a bridge is a company which transfer your tokens from one blockchain to another, right? If you haven't seen that video, you can watch that video. The link will be given in the description. So a Hope Protocol is also a bridge company, right, which transfer your tokens from L1 to L2 and vice versa. And there are other blockchains also. So we are also going to talk about that Hope Protocol, because Hope Protocol is also generating great revenues from past 2-3 months, and their volume is increasing and increasing. And there are also rumors that Hope Protocol can also do a airdrop. So for all this information, like how we can be eligible for the airdrop of Optimism Network and how we can be eligible for the airdrop of Hope Protocol, we have to go to our computer screen. So let's go to our computer screen. So guys, welcome back to my computer screen, and I have searched Optimism chain on Google, and here I am getting this website optimism.io, right? So I click on this website, and here this is the interface of optimism.io, and here you can see the Ethereum you know and love at lower cost and lightning speed. So Optimism Ethereum, I guess, was the first company who introduced the layer 2 solutions to the market, right? And here I'm seeing this option of deposit now, right? So I click on this deposit now, and I get to their bridge of depositing the funds to Optimism. So I click on this next. I click on connect, and my wallet is connected. Hey guys, I want to tell you that I have already transferred my Ethereum to Optimistic Network, right? So I am seeing this page of withdraw, right? But if you are transferring your funds to Optimism, like you are depositing, so you have to click on this deposit. So you will already have this window of deposit open. I have window of withdraw open, so I will click on this deposit. Okay, transaction is there, and switch network. So my network is switched now, right? So on my mainnet I have 0 Ethereum, but on my Optimism network I have 0.03 Ethereum. So guys, I want to clarify two things. First thing is that Optimism was one of the first companies to introduce layer 2 solutions, so it is very high possibility that they will do their airdrop. Second thing is, it is also one of the costliest layer 2 companies where the fees of depositing Ethereum into Optimism chain or withdrawing Ethereum from Optimism to Ethereum mainnet is costlier than other layer 2 solutions. Like for example, on Arbitrum or zkSync, the Optimism chain will cost more, right? To deposit or withdraw on either action, it will cost more than Arbitrum or zkSync. These are the companies which we know of which are providing layer 2 solutions, right? So for example, if I click on 0.01 Ethereum to deposit, okay, I cannot do this because I don't have any Ethereum. But let me tell you the process. You will put your amount which you want to deposit, right? So for example, you put like 0.01 Ethereum and you click on this deposit. It will go to next page where it will show you that the Ethereum which you are trying to deposit, right, it equivalents to this amount of dollars, right? Then you again click on the deposit and a pop-up will open on the MetaMask where it will tell you the fees. So guys, for depositing into Optimism network, it fees varies around, like from a minimum which you can see is around $60 to $70, and if there is sudden pump or dump in the market, that fees can go as much high as $300 on depositing Ethereum. Yes guys, so as I said before, that Optimism is one of the costlier networks, right? So please check all these factors, right? And if you are seeing the fees of deposit around like $70 to $80, only then you go for deposit option, right? And when you have deposited the amount, right, when you have confirmed that fees amount, right, it will take 30 network confirmations on Optimism network, right? So don't freak out, right? Like your transaction is successful but you are not receiving your optimistic Ethereum on the wallet, right? You don't freak out. You wait for like 15 to 20 minutes and your amount will be reflected onto your wallet. So how you can check that? You click on this withdraw. It will switch your network, right? Then you click on this switch network, and on withdraw option in this area you will see how much Ethereum you have, right? So here you can see I have 0.03 Ethereum. So now when I have successfully deposited my Ethereum into Optimism network, right, I want to increase my chances to get this Optimism network airdrop, right? So what I have to do is I go for Uniswap. So I search on uniswap.org, right? I go to their app and I click on connect wallet, connect to MetaMask, next connect, right? So it is showing me warning. I don't think so it is real. So I will just ignore this warning, right? So I am seeing this OE option here, right? So this means I am on Optimism chain, right? So I will see this OE. If you are seeing here Ethereum, that means you are on Ethereum mainnet, and then you have to switch to Optimism Ethereum, right? So I have already opened Optimism Ethereum and I am seeing 0.03 balance. So let's say I want to convert my 0.01 Ethereum to USDT. So I click on this USDT and I am seeing that my 0.01 Ethereum is approximately to $41, right? So I click on swap, right? I click on accept price updated, okay? I click on confirm swap and I will get this pop-up window, right? Here I can see the fees. It is around 0.0014 something, right? So I click on confirm, right? So my transaction is submitted and my transaction is also confirmed, right? So I have successfully converted my Ethereum to USDT. Now I want to increase my chances more, so I will switch back. I will convert my USDT to Ethereum back. So as I'm using it for the first time, my Uniswap is saying that allow the Uniswap protocol to use your USDT, as we all know. So I click on this option, I click on this confirm, and back I will see that my USDT are approved. So this is how much fast is Layer 2, right? So now I click on swap, confirm swap, and again I will get the pop-up, and now my fees is more than before, right? Now it just literally in front of my eyes it gets down, right? So now my fees is around 0.00157 and I click on this again, confirm. My transaction is submitted. Now it is my transaction. Now my transaction is successfully submitted and done, right? So I have successfully converted my Ethereum to USDT and then converted those USDT back to Ethereum, right? And now my balance is 0.02585. If you have less amount, guys, you can do multiple swaps here. As this is the Uniswap, you can also provide liquidity in it. You can also remove liquidity from it, and you can do multiple swaps to increase your probability of winning the airdrop, right? So this is how we can increase our chances to get the airdrop of Optimism Ethereum. Now the second part. Let's say I'm done with the Optimism network, right? I'm done with the swap thing. Now the time has come to get back my Ethereum on Ethereum mainnet. So I get back to this Optimism gateway and I click on this withdraw, right? So I click on this max, right? I have 0.03 Ethereum and I click on withdraw via Hope Exchange. So it will redirect me to Hope protocol. I click on this next and connect, right? So guys, this is the second company, and it is a bridge which runs on layer 1 and layer 2, and it is also being rumored that they can also do an airdrop. So this is a buy one and get one free type of video where I'm telling you how you can get an airdrop of Optimism, and in this video itself I am also showing you how you can get an airdrop of Hope Exchange also, right? So as I've already told you that fees of depositing or withdrawing from Optimism network or to Optimism network is high, right? So let's see how much high it is. I click on this max Ethereum. 0.024 is the Ethereum on the Optimism chain, and here I can see the estimated received is 0.005. I will be charged so much fee if I want to withdraw my Optimism Ethereum back to my mainnet Ethereum, right? It will be around maybe $80. It will be around $80 as I can see the fees here, right? And I know the price of Ethereum and I can calculate it. So it will be around $80 of fees if I want to withdraw my Optimism Ethereum to mainnet. And guys, this fee changes according to the size of Ethereum which you are trying to withdraw, right? So keep that in mind. Then again, if I click on this send, I will click on this send, and a pop-up window will open, right, on the MetaMask here. And if I click on this confirm, I will get that fees of 0. something and something, right? I don't want to do that. So this is how you can withdraw your Ethereum on Optimism network back to on mainnet. And guys, here again I want to tell you that it will take around 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes there are bugs on Hope Exchange protocol, right? So it can also get stuck sometimes. You don't have to worry about that. You can either come to us on a Telegram if you're facing any issue, or you can directly go to their Discord and talk to the team like why your transaction is not there, and you can give them your transaction hash and something, right? And they will figure it out. But generally your Ethereum gets back to your MetaMask wallet on Ethereum mainnet in 10 to 15 minutes. So this is it, guys. This is how you can be eligible for airdrop of both Optimism network and of Hope Exchange protocol by using their bridge. So I think I have shown you whole process, and I think I have made it very clear, where in simple terms how you can get both the airdrops, right? So guys, if you have liked this video, please don't forget to leave a like on this video, and don't forget to share it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. And if you have any queries regarding anything, you can join our Telegram channel and you can ask them there, right? So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.